had a whole night's worth of traveling. I've slept about 4 hours from San Francisco to Morelia, Mexico. And now I have to go to a party. So I gotta pick it up and just go. It's for my dad's celebration, so gotta make it happen. See if this M50 is actually pretty good at focusing. So I'm on the roof of my parents' house here in the city of Morelia. It's been about 13 years since I've been here, and after traveling to different parts of the world, I was very impressed. It's a very European city, a very well-kept secret in Mexico. I would say a lot of people in the US don't know about the city. And honestly, I'm not quite sure why. Discovery Channel said it's a top 50 city in the world. I just found out that from my friend. We'll see what you guys think. Let's see what I can show a little bit of what it's like. So it's been a little bit hard to film because everyone gets really weirded out when I'm filming because they're not used to having cameras around. But my friend here that lives here, he's actually a dentist. Well, he's actually an orthodontist. But orthodontists here, they can't really work as solely orthodontists. That's a whole nother story. But he's an orthodontist, so we're at his practice right now. Check this out. I'll show you this town that we're in. It's not the actual city. It's really old. The streets are all like, they're not even concrete. It's kind of crazy, but I'll try to film it again. They're really weird about the cameras here. So there you guys go. A little clip of what Mexico and Morelia more specifically is like. A lot of food, a lot of drinking, pretty sick. All over there, a little bit of the nighttime. This camera's not very good on low light, so you get what you get, right? We're actually gonna go see this team today, right here. It's the local professional soccer team. It's the team we go for. They're pretty good. They're decent. They're definitely not the best team in Mexico, but they try their best. Well, goddamn, I need a shave. Starting to look like a little dirty Mexican stash. If you agreed with that, you're racist, by the way. But yeah, I'm not a travel vlogger, so don't expect me to like give you facts about how the population and all that stuff. You can look that up or go look at other channels. This is more just to show you a little clip of what it's like to really be in it, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. I got some more videos coming up soon. I wish I could take this to the stadium, but unfortunately I can't.